Well, there you have it. You made it halfway in our education path to get you certified in Designer Pro. As mentioned before, the Splash CMS is very robust, and our team of designers and engineers work around the clock to consistently improve upon the product month after month. Hopefully, you're feeling empowered enough to start playing around a little bit. To get you excited, let's take a quick peek at what's coming up. Part 2 will include the 3 types of imagery in Splash, styling repeatables, buttons and hover states, creating a custom form, mobile device styling, saving custom blocks and elements to your personal library, saving custom themes, editing your share card, and more. I know our team is excited to complete your certification of Part 2, and we have a feeling you are as well. For now, on behalf of Splash Education, I want to thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you next time. Happy designing.